a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva.
Hey you guys, so I'm cleaning my room and yeah, I decided to just grab the camera really quickly. I'm about to go through all of my jeans and try them on because I have just tons of jeans. I wear maybe 3 of them, and so I just want to go through all of them, see what fits, what doesn't fit, what's just out of style, what's garbage, whatever, and we're just gonna go through them together and see what we come up with. Take a look at my closet. Okay, see what we working with. So we have, this is my side for my hanging space. Then we have, these just came in. I'm waiting for some more. That's why they're not away yet. But we got some things for my store in that box. And then some, my shoes. Oh crap. Darn it, now it's not gonna stay. What else? This is baby girl's hanging space. My son's hanging space. He gets 2. Why? I don't know. But yes, back hair weave. It looks crazy, but I promise it's not. But yeah, these are the jeans. So we got some right here and some right here. I'm just gonna try them on, and this is also business stuff. So yeah, we're gonna try on some jeans. And we're gonna see if we can empty that out because I want to buy more, but I can't because I have nowhere to put them. So let's just get into it. So I feel semi-successful. That's it for the garbage. Not the turnout that I was expecting. Anyway, let's put them all back. Okay, so that was semi-successful because we definitely made space for more. So I'm pretty excited about that. And I actually finished so quickly. I finished so fast, I think I'm going to actually see what's happening in Jaden's side of the closet. Yeah. Yeah. So I got this 4T shirt in here for Jaden. Jaden is 7 years old. He wears a 10 now, so the tag is still on. We just gonna put this up here for Jordan. Jordan will be 3 in December. Okay, so Jordan's clothes are pretty much up to date. This is what it be looking like here. So, Jaden, I'm definitely gonna have to get online today. I mean, he has house clothes because, you know, we stay in the house all day. That's what we do. But I'm gonna at least need to get him like maybe like 4 pairs of jeans and like 6 really nice tops. Because as you can see, most of the shirts I just threw away still had tags on them because we don't go anywhere. But my daughter, she goes to daycare. So she wears, you know, a lot of outside clothes. He's homeschooling, you know, quarantine time. So he definitely don't need clothes now. So, yeah, we're going to donate this stuff. And I'm going to fold this stuff. And that's pretty much it.
Yeah, the closet is done. So I'll see you guys when my shipments come in. Bye.